Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change your Outlook password step by step. Whether we want to improve our account security or update an old password, this tutorial is for us. On our Microsoft Outlook dashboard, to change our password, all we have to do is click the mini profile logo in the upper right corner. This is our account manager. Once we are here, we just need to click on My Account. Now in our account, we can see options like Account Info, Subscriptions, Devices, and Security. Under Security, we click here, and we will see the option to send a code. If this is not what we need, we simply go back. Under our account, we just need to scroll down until we see the Security section. Here, we will find the option to change our password. All we need to do is select Change Password, then send the code so we can continue. Next, we open our Gmail to get the code. Once we have it, we just copy the code and paste it here to move forward. Now, we enter our new password and re-enter it to confirm. If we want to update our password every 72 days, we simply check that option, then click Save. This is how we safely update our Outlook password through the account security settings. This keeps our email protected and our account secure. And that's it. Now we know how to change our Outlook password.